Hey Matt, how's it going today?
Hey, good. How are you?
Got a new site you just told me about. I've never even looked at or heard of. It's called Lensa, Lensa, Lensa.com. What is Lensa?
Seems to be like a Glassdoor Indeed competitor where you can post jobs and you can also, as an employee, post reviews of your employer.
So, like Glassdoor, Indeed, these sites allow you to have like a business profile page, and then
Exactly.
and then the idea being that from an HR perspective, employees would go on, they would write a review, say, "Hey, I love this company," or "I hate this company." Is that what
Exactly.
you're saying?
Yeah, so it's kind of a two-prong approach they're doing, kind of like a monster.com where you can post jobs offered and the idea of a rating platform, Yelp, whatever.
Got you. So why would somebody want to get like their company removed from Lensa?
If you have, I would say, a 3.5 star rating or lower, I would call it a day and just get removed from there. Let people
And
focus on other good platforms.
so you don't actually go in and like surgically target the employee review. You just take down the whole page.
Yeah, so we have a contact who can remove the whole page. It's not a very big site yet, but we've had two clients we've done it for recently. So it seems like that website is picking up steam.
Do we know yet if let's just say my company is like ABC Electric and I've got, some bad employee reviews, I contact you, you get the page taken down. Uh, do you know if Lensa is then later going to create a new page for me, kind of like what Yelp does sometimes?
Yeah, so far they haven't. We'll put a guarantee on it for a few years, I'm sure. We'll figure something out with the client where if it comes down, we'll cover any new listings like we do with Yelp. But yeah, so far, I mean, it's such a relatively new site we've been working with that I haven't noticed new listings being created, but I would imagine like for Yelp, they have two ways you can create a new listing. Is one, the system automatically creates them, and then two, they allow people to create them. I would imagine Lensa and like most sites, they allow you to create a new listing. So if you have someone really angry at you, maybe they might create a listing and we'll cover it for a few years, but not forever. We can't be on the hook forever, but we'll probably maybe a few year guarantee we'll figure it out. Um, but doesn't seem like Lensa is going to automatically create new listings because I was checking my company and other companies that I'm familiar with and they weren't on there. So it's not like Yelp where they're pulling from like data.com and company registries and Google Maps.
Yeah. So yeah, it sounds like if someone is going to get removed from Lensa.com, that I mean, if I was a business owner, I would probably not want to go and create a new page because then you just risk getting some bad reviews and have to start all over again.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it depends what kind of business you are. If you think that your clients love you and maybe it's good, or your employees love you, it's good to expose yourself to rating sites. But my general recommendation is, most businesses should try to avoid hopping on business review sites, especially Yelp, where people
Yeah.
love to hate. But
Yeah.
Google Business, I think, is good. Facebook's good because if you're on Facebook, you can always remove the page, the review section, free and
Mhm.
easy. Um, Google, the average rating on Google is like 4.2, they say, while Yelp is 3.5. So, and Google could bring a lot of money, a lot of traffic, but most of these other sites, Yelp, Lensa, Glassdoor, Indeed, etc., I would just avoid them if you can.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes having a profile on these pages is more detrimental than it is a help.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you are posted on Lensa.com and you have some bad reviews, you don't like how your page looks, contact us. Affordable, one-time price,
Yeah.
guaranteed.
Few year guarantee. I'll figure out a number soon. All
Okay. Sounds good. Well, thanks, Matt.
right. Thank you.